Hey guys, Chuck here with ArborMotion. Going to talk to you briefly about an issue we see on these 2-liter turbo motors. This is a 2008 Jetta. They use this motor in many models. They have a mechanical fuel pump. What happens is the shoe that rides on the camshaft wears down. In this case, wears all the way through to where the mechanical fuel pump's riding right on the camshaft itself. You see the scoring on the camshaft. The fix for this, once it's gotten this bad, is replacement of the camshaft and obviously replacement of the high pressure fuel pump and the shoe. You can look at these parts on the bench too. So here we have the old high pressure fuel pump. As you can see, this cap here is the follower that rides along the camshaft, and it is worn through so thin that there's actually a large hole in the center. That is the fault with this car. The new pump comes with a replacement follower. It is an updated part. It's a bit harder in material, but on this car there's already scoring on the camshaft, so the camshaft really needs to be replaced as well. That is what the fix is for the 2-liter turbo high pressure fuel pump.